like this, and I'm just gonna place them in the oil. Have a look.
Oh, buckled.
Yo, the other boss like, no gunshot. Yo, catch this. Yo, I have to just itch up. Yo, I have to just itch up here now.
You said that, oh, you're spitting up.
Yo, that one there shut off, you know, so you see what I'm saying?
24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Look at that, everyone. Yeah, man, sweet potato fries, sweet potato chips. Wagwan, everybody, you think a joke, you don't know, send me outside. Hey, people, guess what? Bless up, thank you. This one's a quick one, everybody. I'm just gonna show you quick and fast and easy, yeah, how to fry sweet potato fries. So I've got sweet potato here from Jamaica, and I've got sweet potato here from Africa. I've good vibes, and I've got the garlic there to put in the oil. Yeah, man, I've good vibes. Right. Wagwan, everybody. So it's a quick and simple episode today. I'm just gonna show you quick and easy, people, yeah, how we're gonna make some sweet potato fries. So I got the sweet potato from Jamaica and the sweet potato from Ghana, people. The white one's the one from Ghana and the red one is the one from Jamaica, people, yeah. So I've just added some oil to my pan, and then what I've done as well, I've added the garlic in there just to infuse into the oil, people. If you can hear that, you can hear the oil, people. You can hear the garlic. You can hear the oil, sorry, and you can smell the garlic. A good vibes. So, yeah, a simple process, people, because you know what I'm saying? You're there, you're outside. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to slice the potato with the skin on it, like this. And I'm just going to place them in the oil. Have a look.
Oh, buckled.
Yo, the other boss like, no gunshot. Yo, catch this. Yo, I have to just itch up. Yo, I have to just itch up here now.
You said that, oh, you're spitting up.
Yo, that one there shut off, you know, so you see what it is now, yeah? And I could just stay over there, you know, Rasta. Yeah, I put them in from over there, you know, Rasta. The way the thing I'm going to bless us, so, you know. Hey, Leon.
Wagwan. Oh, see.
See if you can catch a little close up and make the people and see what I want to do there, please. Because, nah, man, nah, go on. Get into the pot. Because I need to
You want me to catch a shot, bro? You want man to get shut up? You get me?
So, I'll show you, yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, so some potato chips. So they're not like you expecting to see me probably cut them like normal chips that you buy at the chip shop. No, nice and flat. You understand, people? Yeah, we sprinkle a little bit of natural Ghanaian salt on it as well towards the end. The sweetness from the potato and that natural salt gonna be amazing. Good guys. Yo, shut up. Yo! A good thing to remember on the proof jacket, you know. A good thing, you see what I'm trying to say, Leon? A good thing I got on the proof jacket, you know. Hey, this is, what? The garlic, you know, because the garlic then, yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, the garlic bust up.
The bust up. Come and have a look. I have to show them to the garlic bust up. Look. Garlic bust up, you know, but things are going, people, yeah. You know, it's our good vibes and we're there, we're outside. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen cooking living goes, yeah, we're there. Look at that, look at the bubbles, yeah. Can you hear the sizzling? Nice. So what's happening now, people, yeah? So the potato is starting to change color and get to like a darker color. So you can see that one there. It's not yet fried up yet, so we're just waiting for all of them to get to a nice dark crispy color, people, yeah? And then we're gonna just turn them over. A good vibe, we're there. Look at that, people. Yeah, man, a good vibes, man. Sweet potato them. They might fry up nice. They're looking nice in the oil. Just waiting for them to get to a nice golden color. And I'm frying them in the skin. This one is the Jamaican one that I'm frying at the moment, everyone, yeah. I'm gonna start cut up the Ghanaian one right now. So good vibes. The garlic's in the oil as well, people. Yeah, nice one. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, people. So it's a quick and simple thing, people, yeah. Show you that you can be at home and you can just fry up some potato chips. Yeah, man, sweet potato chips. Quick and fast. Look at that, everyone. Yeah, man, sweet potato fries, sweet potato chips. Nice and easy, people, yeah. Good vibe. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just frying the Ghanaian ones now. So these ones are the white ones, but sweet potato as well. So good vibes there. Yes, people, so this is the sweet potato fry from Jamaica. Have a look. The crunch, the infusion of the garlic, 10 out of 10. And I'm just showing you everyone here, you can be at home and just look for some, you don't have to go to the shop to buy no chips. Cut your sweet potato as fine as this, rolled like that, give the skin on it, wash it thoroughly, a little bit of natural salt, you're winning. So, Leon, you take one? How's that crunch?
It was nice too.
That's what I'm talking about. So everyone, the reason why I've done this, yeah, because I recorded the episode earlier, and I was like, nah, Leon, I'm gonna fry the sweet potato. He's like, he's laughing because he's like, well, we just ate from the yam episode. So these are the potatoes that were left over after the yam episode, people, yeah. So I just thought, I have to show you guys how, look, I've got the Ghanaian salt sprinkled on there, so. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. It's worth it.
yeah, let's go.
So, and they're so sweet. I want to compare them and see what the difference is. It's a sweet potato thing, you know. People. It's a good vibes thing. Turn off this play until something comes up maybe in like 20 minutes. And then starts cooking again. Leon.
Yes, man. What do you say?
Ghanaian ones, rocky.
Until I eat good.
Yeah, they're both 10 out of 10 people, yeah. Sweet potato vibration, yeah. Yeah, man. We're there. Thank you very much, everybody, for staying tuned with this episode. Yeah, man, a quick thing, man. See you later.